This is Arborvitae shrub. That worked well. Okay, these are some awesome hand drills, like spindles I got from C. Tanner. Give me 3 of them. And that one worked on Arborvitae shrub really. That was this date one. And they sent me some hearts too, out of the same date palm. I tried it this morning, and I think this hearts are still kind of damp. They still got a sheen to them, but it could be because they're a palm. But thanks, man. I'm gonna definitely use these. I'm gonna try to do everything that you sent me on the hearts that you sent me, but they definitely work, at least on that. Thanks. That was from C. Tanner, YouTube. Check his YouTube channel out. Thanks, they're out.